Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So this time once again a video I didn't originally want to make. Seems like this is getting into a habit of me or something like that, making videos by request. No, I'm just kidding, but this is exceptional. So I think I just found the perfect print surface for my industry. So this one, sold by a Chinese company called Eryone, maybe I'm pronouncing it right, or Eryone, who knows. Anyway, I didn't really see too many reviews about it, but it has a 4.9 score on Amazon. So I tried and checked it out, and though this won't be an unboxing video because the box is empty, it's already on my printer. So instead I will just share my experience with it. I've done pretty much like 20 prints with it so far, so yeah, we can call it an experience. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so first let me start by showing this print surface in action. To be honest, this footage is from my previous video. This print surface arrived to me like a month ago or something like that, and I ordered it together with the BL Touch. But to be honest, I haven't even installed the BL Touch yet. Problem is, I didn't really need it since I have this surface. So if you watched my previous videos, you know that I tried many different surfaces, and I always wanted to have something that is smooth, and I mean really smooth, like glass. Unfortunately, printing on glass was kind of a mixed experience for me. In the beginning it started well, but then later on, for some specific prints, it turned out to be problematic. Now the default surface of the industry doesn't really give that smooth bottom layer, and since I print many stuff upside down, especially enclosure tops and stuff like that, it just, well, wasn't what I needed. Okay, anyway, what's so special about this print surface? Well, if you check out the description, you will see that it's basically the similar construction that you can see on Prusa printers. So two-part, the bottom part is a magnetic layer, the top part is spring steel coated with PEI. It also comes in different sizes, and according to the description, you can order it in custom sizes as well. The only reported downside so far is that whenever you are printing PETG, it will just stick to the PEI way too well. It means you will have to separate the two materials from each other somehow, for example with painter's tape or something like that. Now that I mentioned separating stuff, I would like to show you something. Yeah, that's the genuine Prusa feeling. If you are interested in how smooth the bottom of your print will be, I also have good news. Yeah, see for yourself, it's smooth, just like if it was printed on a glass surface. Finally, before finishing this short video, let me also mention two things. So first of all, it was surprising to me how easy this was to install. It's simply because the magnetic part is thicker than usual. I mean, if you check out videos about other similar products, you will see that installation is not always easy and you can end up with leveling problems and stuff like that. But not this time. The adhesive sticks very well and holds the whole thing pretty firmly. The other thing I want to mention is how strong and how stable the whole magnetic solution is. See for yourself. Okay, to be honest, this is it. Based on what I've seen, based on what I've experienced, I heartfully recommend this product for your printer. If you plan to give it a try or you have questions, please just write it in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit like. If you want to help my channel and see more of my content, hit subscribe. If you want to check out behind the scenes and want to know more about me, then follow me on social media. You can find the links here. Thank you again and see you next time.